It started. Don't let go. Oh, does she already let go?
Oh my god, it's stuck to me.
That's the point of it, she does it. Jesus, Keelan.
That was really big.
Keelan, you're doing it about 40 seconds. 45 nearly.
How many did you use for a minute?
I'll tell you when you get to a minute. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You have a minute.